All right, guys, we got possibly it's either just intermodal or maybe it's both. I haven't seen a windmill train before. It would be nice to. That looks like an oil carrier. Wow. Just that well car. Let's see. I don't see any other kind of trains. Just looks like a unit train, just an intermodal. They're usually by far the ones that. Those are the most common trains that you'll see on the railroads in North America today. You barely see any along the Columbus sub. It's like that. That only sees like 10 trains a day, or less than that, maybe 8 to 10. Those numbers are just approximate. It's like this one sees like 15 to 20. The NS tracks are the most frequent. Cold and gray today. I think these things Phil Connors, Bill Murray, he says it's gonna be cold, it's gonna be gray, and it's gonna last for the rest of your lives.